how to edit your account name on Google Authenticator. Well, it's a very simple process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Google Authenticator. Enter a login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Well, if you already have created the code, you have to move into it. But if you don't have it, then what you want to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then click on Enter a setup key. If you already have a setup key, then the account name will be visible to you. All you want to do is remove the name that you have created and then enter the new one. Once you have entered the new name, simply tap on Add at the bottom of the screen. After that, the name will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change the name on Google Authenticator. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.